Hi everyone, Rachel Willow here. I wanted to hop on real quick and let you know that if you don't know already, today is the first day that Wegmans is implementing the plastic bag ban, which will be going into place in New York starting March 1st. So that's amazing, right? No more plastic bags. Well, there are some negatives. Paper bags don't hold as much. So as a result, you're asking them to issue you more paper bags. Also, some places are going to be implementing a 5-cent tax on bags. Not all places will, because it's kind of hard to regulate, but some places will. And then on top of that, the weight that a paper bag can hold is quite difficult. And if you're anything like my husband, the ability to grab multiple bags out of our trunk and bring them into the house is a task that he tries to accomplish every single week. So with plastic bags out and paper bags in, that's kind of hard for him to do. So what we have purchased, and we've had in our whole household here for about a month or so, are these grab and go bags. We have 2 insulated and 2 non-insulated. So what's great about them is they're super compact and they fold up nicely with a Velcro front. They do have handles. They're quite large, which is amazing. So you can do the grab and go all at once. And then on top of it is, as the cashier is checking you out, there are these handles, if you can see them, that clip on the outside of your cart. So as the cashier is checking everything out, you can be filling up your bag or have the person at the end of the counter filling up your bag. And then at the end of it all, Velcro it up, you've got the handles, and you're on your way. What we also do to make it easier and readily available, I have a set in my cart and he has a set in his, just in case we're running errands separately or things like that. But then on top of it, we have purchased a purse hook, which goes on the back of the headrest where the metal part is. There's a hook, and then there's another hook that lays low. So what we have done is we've put those in the back of our trunk and we hang our grocery bags from there, so they're easy to grab, readily available, instead of tucking them in someplace else and then we forget about them and things like that. Now, we purchased these on Amazon along with the purse hooks, but what you can do if you want something significantly cheaper, they do have cloth mesh bags, which are nice, but same thing with the weight, you get some difficulty there. And then you can also go to TJ Maxx, Home Goods, things like that, and they have a kind of recycled plastic bag that's only $2 or $3, very inexpensive. Same thing though, the quality that you're getting for the price ends up sometimes not equaling out. But if you do have bags like that you have purchased and you're using, I will be posting a blog later today about how to clean those plastic bags. So if you have any other questions, if you want the direct link for where I purchased these, I'm not advertising these and getting paid for them or anything like that. I just really appreciate these products and they've helped my household so much. So I just wanted to let you know about them, and you guys have a